Good morning, everybody. We're gonna get her rolling today. Show you what I do. Here we go. This is what we got tore out so far. We're replacing this whole yard. This is my little toy right now. She gets the job done. She gets the job done. She coming along. She coming along. Almost got this half picked up. If we could locate all these guys.
These guys being the sprinklers.
Yeah, we got some grass. We getting there. We getting there. We getting there. She going down north. Going down north. Alright, so we are done with 2 spots. Now, we're just testing some sprinklers, making sure everything's working. And then we'll keep laying. We are now complete, except for that roller right there finishing up. But this is the new and improved yard. Just gotta put a fungicide, insecticide down within the first couple of days and she'll be beautiful. Good day, y'all.